And you finally get that holiday and you're not really resting. You see these people finally getting a break after a long sprint of work, whether it was months, weeks, doesn't matter, and you need to rest, you need to take a holiday, and you finally get that holiday and you're not really resting. You're not really slowing down. You'd be amazed at how many people sit around the pool and they're just like this, or they're still doing work. It's remarkable when you think about it, because the holiday is intended that we can rest and regulate and resource and feel recovered and recuperated and reconnected to ourselves and feel re-energized, and off we go back to work again. And often that doesn't happen. Sometimes we feel like we do so much in that little break that we have for ourselves, whether it's constantly out, and, you know, seeing the next thing, and whining and dining and over socializing, or it's, you know, still doing this and this and this, but you're not actually really resting. And some people really don't know how to rest. And if you're one of those people who really struggles to feel resourced and recharged, then this is definitely something you need to think about, because you'll be functioning on a low battery and pretty soon on a battery that is minus. And that's when exhaustion kicks in, and after exhaustion comes all sorts of things. When your cortisol's out of balance, we start to see things start to malfunction in the body. The system's out of whack, and you're not in your optimum health. So rest and recovery is as important as being able to work from an optimum place. So how do we do that? Well, one of the first things is to watch for the phone. You need to make a decision immediately when you go on holiday, how much you're going to allow yourself to be on this thing. Ultimately, you're not on it, but of course, in some cases, some people really need to be on it, whether it's practical reasons or business reasons. But for that, I would then commit to a time frame, morning, nights, but that's it. Because that will already start to slow down the activity in your brain but that decision will help you. Of course, the addiction might still be there to reach for the phone, but you first need to make the decision. So some of the ways we go from this high speedy state that we're in from work into a more movement towards a more relaxed state when we're in a holiday mode, we can already start to recognize the rhythm in which we are walking, or the rhythm in which we're eating, and the rhythm in which we are doing things, to see if we can slow it down, because we don't need to rush to be anywhere. We can even maybe make decisions that we're not going to fill our schedule with too much, that we simplify our days. Really boring, I know, for some people, but actually really resourceful for your body. Will thank you later. So making that decision and having less in the day that you do and more around being, then you can bring your attention to things and observation to things that you do very automatically, which is maybe if you walk fast, or talk fast, or eat fast, or do things faster. Just see if you can almost do it like in half speed mode, slow motion for some people. But it's really important, because you will start to get to a kind of sense of yourself when you slow things down. Oh wow, there I am. You have presence. You feel yourself more. You feel more connected. You feel the days longer. That's when we were kids. The day was longer because we were more present. And that's going to serve you well in your holiday. So if you're noticing that you're eating fast and it's habitual, maybe make the decision before you eat with your eyes closed and say, okay, I want to do this differently and I want to eat slow. You don't have to rush to be anywhere. You don't have to rush to go to work. So you can just eat slow and just enjoy every bite. You can even do it with your eyes closed. I sometimes do that with my favorite meals. I just eat with my eyes closed, and that one bite can last way longer. You can also do it in how you walk from place to place, just to go really slow. And it's like looking at the flowers in the gardens, yeah, and how wow, you actually start to see things differently. Oh wow, I used to just walk past these kinds of things so fast, and you see people, you see places in a different way when you slow it down. Even taking a shower. Oh God, this water feels nice. Maybe even singing. Just a few more minutes just to enjoy the deliciousness of the water and just having a moment. Unless there's a water shortage, be careful. Be mindful today when you think about it. It's so simple. Rest, whether it's by the sea, by the pool, wherever you're taking a holiday. Not go out on the next adventure, not run around and walk at twice the speed. To rest, to make sure that you're slowing down, to do everything at a completely different rhythm. It might seem boring to begin with, but you're really gonna love it. And your whole body, your nervous system is gonna drink it up. It's gonna resource you big time. And you're gonna feel like you've had a really nourishing holiday. That's the kind of holiday that we all need. That's the kind of holiday your immune system needs, your nervous system needs, your whole body needs, your mental health needs, your internal states need, so that you can meet life from a renewed and refreshed place. These things can help you recalibrate and reconnect to who you are outside of the busy. In fact, it's balancing the busy in such a way that allows you to be more connected to yourself, so that you really feel, wow, I rested at the end of that holiday and this feels good. That's the kind of holiday I want for you. So I hope you get to enjoy your next holiday from a resourced, restful place. Maybe I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, comment, and maybe I'll see you at the next one. Bye for now.